मुंगेली सकाळी एक PUC मीटिंग आली आणि त्याच्यानंतर आय थिंक द स्पीकर हॅड कॉल्ड अ फ्यू पीपल इन हिज चेंबर अँड ही कॉल्ड मी regarding certain clarifications regarding PUC and PAC committees on the existence which comes under the jurisdiction of the speaker. So there was a discussion and certain views were exchanged. PAC and PUC meeting jenna convene jale, it goes from the legislators forum. Goes from the legislators forum under the hand which comes under the speaker. So there were some things saying that illegal meeting zale ho ani meeting legal nahi and whatever. So I think the speaker has given clarifications today in the morning as well. Elton DeCosta's PAC committee was reconstituted on 10th of February 2023, which is valid for 2 years. That ends 24, which ends on 26, 2 years as per the committee. And the PUC committee was reconstituted in the financial year, which is valid up to 31st March 2025. So basically everything is in public domain. And as I said, reports, whatever are discussed while we discuss about certain paras, some reports, some newspapers brought up that certain queries which were not in the PUC. So these things are also discussed. Example, smart city, a point that doesn't come under my purview because it comes and it is not highlighted also by CAG. So these particular things, whatever I think the speaker, and whatever on our part, we explain.
Okay, but what part came in about the smart city?
No. There was a report about the smart city para Gilnan. Now, what is our jurisdiction is what is discussed is the ambit is within periphery of CAG points Sangadida. So that comes under Public Accounts Committee, and also it particularly there was some representation in a newspaper that I as PUC chairman didn't take it. That is what the clarification was given.
सर गोवा फाउंडेशनान कितें पेटिशन फायल केल्लें हेचेर आनी मागीर ती पेटिशन फायल केली गोवा फाउंडेशनान
No petition.
ते आयज येयल्ले
That's
मेळटा
it, the whole thing to have this was, let me be very clear. The whole thing to have this meeting was to get clarification if this PUC and PAC meetings are valid, are enforced or not. So the Honorable Speaker, those who have written saying that these were not valid, meetings were all not valid, committees are not valid, that has been clarified by the Honorable Speaker. My committee, which I am as the chairman, PAC is valid up to 2026, 31st March 2026. Let me be very clear. And PUC chairman has found the letter of opposition. This is 31st March 2025. So apart from the Bitor Kit Zala, they will discuss, but main thing, what someone country free to Kitara Sangile, and see, we as Yala, the fourth pillar of democracy, the press, and we have high regards for you. But through some miscommunication, and we don't want to blame you. But in fact, we wanted to clarify, and we are satisfied with the whatever clarification the Honorable Speaker has given to the people who have come. Our friends only. Then it has been clarified that both the committees are valid. It is not all multiple chairman. It is our duties, and we are appointed to give justice to that post. And being a PUC and PAC chairman, extra staff, we are handling both this. Check meetings so we are working on it, and definitely we will give justice to that post.